Today, we're checking out this ESR MagSafe compatible wallet with a built-in tracker that works with Apple Find My app. And besides the built-in tracker, this wallet also has an RFID blocker, a built-in rechargeable battery that can last for 3 months. And now let's check what's in the box. This one is a product promotional cover, a quick start guide, a multi-language user manual, and this one is the ESR Care Plus warranty activation card. Now let's check out this wallet. I'm really impressed with this wallet. It's sleek, modern, feels high quality the moment you pick it up, and it's definitely well made. The sample cards are being held firmly, and they designed it that way so that the cards won't fall off. And this wallet's made with premium vegan leather, and it feels really durable. Right at the front are 2 pockets that can fit up to 5 cards, and at the back is a ring magnet, the power button, and the charging connections. And speaking of charging, there is an included charging cable that is specifically designed to charge this wallet, and the other end is a USB-C connection. It magnetically attaches at the back of the wallet while charging, and you will see this amber light, which means it's charging, and it will turn green when it's fully charged. The built-in N52 magnet has a strong 3.2 kilograms holding force, so it stays securely on the back of your phone without slipping off. And to add this phone to your Find My app, first turn it on to make it discoverable, then open the Find My app from your iPhone, press the plus sign and choose Add Other Item, then wait for your iPhone to discover the wallet. Once discovered, press Connect, then decide what you want to call it. Once you have a name, press Continue, then choose an icon, then press Continue again, then press Agree to proceed, and press Finish to complete the registration. And to quickly test it, we'll use the play sound from the Find My app to check the audible response from the wallet, and that is a success. So guys, this is the rechargeable ESR MagSafe compatible wallet with a built-in tracker.